Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing another practice hand lettering with me. I am going to be using these Millie worksheets, and I'm going to be using Strathmore tracing paper, and I am also going to be using these Stabilo Pen 68 brush pens. I really like these if you have not tried them yet. I really like them. So I'm going to be using those in today's practice with me. And if you are new here, this is just a type of video where I like to create real-time hand lettering practice so that you can practice right along with me. So you don't have to have the worksheets, you can just use a piece of paper. But if you are interested, this is my Millie style of worksheets, and I will leave a link in the description box below, as well as a discount code for you if you have not picked these up already. I'm going to be doing some of the alphabet, and then I have some words back here which also come in the Millie. So this is kind of like a fun medium to large style brush script style of hand lettering, and so I will leave more information below if you are interested in those. And with all that said, let's get right into our hand lettering practice. I will be doing a few of these in the month of December as I do a kind of vlogmas attempt. If you are new here, I usually put out videos on Fridays, and sometimes I do a Monday video as well. But I am doing a little bit extra for the month of December, so I hope these are helpful for you. And let's get right into our hand lettering practice.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. Really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down,
I hope this was so helpful for you. If you would like to do another practice with me, let me know if you have any suggestions on what kind of style you would like, or what kind of brush pen you would like to use, or other types of lettering supplies. With this one, you can see I had some bleeding here over on the words, not so much on my ABCs. So I'm not sure if that's just because maybe as I got going, I started pushing a little bit harder. That could probably be the case, but I did not have the same issue over here. So yeah, I'm not really sure. But if you're not using something that you're tracing over, it is okay if you are going a little bit slower than I am. If you need to adjust the speed on these videos, there is a little gear button on the YouTube platform that you can make them go a little bit slower or a little bit faster, depending on what would be more helpful for you. So just a note that if you need to adjust the speed at all, you can definitely do that. If you are not already, feel free to follow me over on Instagram at How to Hand Letter. You can also find my free printable hand lettering resources in the resource library on my website. It is at howtohandletter.com/resource library. So you can go ahead and get some things printed out if you are looking for more help learning how to hand letter. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next one.